I am sitting in a 2015 Honda CRV. We have no keys. We're going to program this key here, this remote key, and we're going to get started. First thing, put the key in the switch, turn it to on. Your security lights right next to the tack right there. You can see it blinking. So go to Diagnostics, North America, Honda, CRV, key coding, 15, mobilizer 10. Let's count, see how many were in the system. There's probably 2. Nope, 4. Okay. We're gonna clear keys because we have no key. Program key. 1 key only. Okay, ignition off. Ignition on. Off. On. Now you gotta wait 10 seconds. After the security wait, we turn the key off and on. The security light should go out. So let's look at the security light here in a second. Okay, we're gonna turn the ignition off. On. It's out. That means it took. Is the security light off? Yes, it is. Sorry about the refresh right here. Procedure's complete. So we take the key out. And you can see. There we go. Put it in. And we are good to go.